Hello and welcome. Today is Saturday. It is the 18th day of October 2014. Welcome to today's silver chart analysis. My name is Derek, and I want to start off with an older, more historical, almost a 2-year-old chart, which is a weekly chart from February the 1st, 2013. Starting within these highs and then this massive red candle on news of Osama bin Laden getting captured and killed. That was, of course, the original reason for the decline, but that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to do is count how many times this thing has had its up moves, not counting this period in here. We'll just say this was one, but it came back down to this level. Number two, breaking the twice or a few times hit 33 level. Number 3, 4, and 5. So as of this period, 5 times this thing tried to get going, and each time, of course, it failed. This one obviously lower since price action is about half of what it was at this point. Let's take a look at last week's weekly chart. There were 5 times that it tried to go higher and it couldn't sustain it. 6, 7, 8. So 8, the last and only 8 times since the $50 top. Each rally has ultimately failed. Let's take a look at today's daily chart. This probably is last week's, so I might have to open it up. No, it's not. This is this week's. Okay, so we've got 8, did I count, times that this was the 8th time that it went higher, but obviously went to and or breaking a key level of support. And the next one will be the 9th try. I don't know how many there's going to be, but when we've seen this period in here where it broke down below the 18 average lows, which it did first, and then it broke above the 18 average highs as well as this significant high, this is telling me that something's going on. Now, you can say all you want that, hey, this is a manipulated market, technical analysis doesn't work. My theory to that, or my answer to that in theory, is if you were to use this technical analysis within a free market, you may not do as well. Why? Because you're technically analyzing history, finding commonalities with what is the manipulated market. So therefore, within manipulated markets, it's not uncommon before big moves to occur to have your failed breakout or breakdown, which has already set up within. Now, over the last 2 sessions on Thursday and Friday, it has done a little bit of nothing, mainly testing the lower end of this range, but not really, though, either. It's just been going sideways for a little over a week within this downtrend. Therefore, this thing will stay neutral in a down bias until some significant break within this band occurs and thus break above this resistance and break below this support. In situations where you start to have moves within the next few days that breaks below here, and especially if you get combination of support close to the low, resistance close to this level here, of the next leg lower from, of course, this correctionary phase. And the polar opposite of that is breaking this resistance, most likely coming up to here, the band starting to go higher, and then again, normally, but not always, back to this level up here. And a move like that would be number 9, and the 9th significant time over usually a decent amount of days, but more importantly, a decent amount of increase to occur. But again, this is just sideways. It's been like this now for about a week and a half, and that's all I can report for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great rest of the weekend and week. Bye-bye.